Hey, everybody. A few of the clients were asking me about MidJourney, which is a new AI image tool I've been using. Um, Essentially, you can put in a prompt to this online tool. It's like $10 a month. It'll spit out any image you can think of, which is great if you don't have access to a designer or you can't find the right photography you want for something you're doing on marketing. Typically, this tool is used for things like artwork. Like it's great at having like a show me a penguin floating in outer space wearing tennis shoes. But you could also use it to do some interesting stuff for your business. So one thing I was thinking about, some of you are involved with nutrition, is this is really a salad. So imagine you're doing this, you just want to show a picture of a spin class. You could tell this program, like, show me a spin class with this demographic, with this lighting, and you can do some great images in minutes. So I think it'd be a really powerful tool. So to give you an example of how you can use this with another chat program, say you're meeting with a client and you want to give them a recipe on something for weight loss. So you say, show me a simple recipe for a salad with low acidity and high protein. And you ask the bot what's going on. And you guys are professionals, so you're going to understand what makes sense when not. You have to play with it. But if you are trying to come up with some recipes fast or some inspiration, I think this is a really great tool. So this is a salad with quinoa, chickpeas, bell peppers, red onion, salt. So let's say you had this salad that was great. You want to bring this one and get an image for it because you can't find a good one. You can go over into our image generation tool that I showed you. I'm going to make it a little easier because I'm trying to show you an example. And so this program uses prompts. So you have to type in a certain input, and it'll give you a certain image back. It takes maybe like 30 seconds, which is not bad at all. So we're going to imagine a healthy Caesar salad with chicken on top. And then you can play with some things like, let's do a Nikon camera and professional lighting. And let's say you're going to put it on a poster. So we're going to tell it to be vertical versus square. That's a bit advanced, but let's say it's 9 by 12. And then we're going to hit enter. And it's going to start right here. And this is the hard part on a video because it's going to wait. So I will tell you while it's generating. Here you go. 0%. Up to 30%. 60%. Thank you for your patience. Okay. So this you can download and use right away if you want to use that on a social media post or Instagram. This one is generic because what we put in, but you can also use it if you want to have like a fitness model, or if you want to come up with a new graphic for your equipment. There's some things it's good at. There's some things that it's not great at, but I think it's a new tool that small business owners can use. It's pretty amazing. The other thing to show you is these buttons here. The U label here, it stands for like up level, or essentially will render a higher version of this. So if you need to do something for print, you can. Otherwise, it's a great tool. I hope it helps some of you make some cool stuff. Thank you. Bye.